Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Hey trader, my name is Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for binary options. You'll also learn some trading tips, and if you're new in trading and think that you're not gonna handle it, then you're totally wrong. Because my approach and trading strategies are easy to learn even for beginners. Watch this video and see for yourself. Let's get started, guys. There are $30 on the balance, and today is OTC trading with the implies good buy trades, but we also have to be more careful because OTC is not that simple as it seems, and our trading will be based on technical analysis. We're going to open 1 minute time frame. Let's get down to trading, guys. Let's begin analyzing. I already see a nice trading opportunity. Let's open a long position. I will point a workspace. We should point out this important support zone here, where we label one each played or several times, and I don't see the reason why it shouldn't do the same now, because there was a good correction here and we're gonna wait for breakout. There are 30 seconds left before the closing. Also pay attention to this long shadow here, which is definitely a bullish signal, and I'm looking forward to see the breakout at the end, and just watch. Yep, and our position has been closed in profits, guys. The breakout has eventually happened on the last seconds. Actually it was close. I was beginning to doubt myself, but still the breakout is here and we're in profits, so I'm okay with this outcome. And let's continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing. So we're going to look for a good support zone, and I'd rather open a position on the same currency pair. We're going to bring our attention to this hook support zone, and I like it more or less. That's why opening a long is the best option here. And let's see what do we got here. Actually I already see that the breakout is gaining momentum. There 30 seconds left before the closing. I want to point that the one OTC chart is under traders control, and it's more safe to open positions following the trend direction, but you should also play out these corrections and pullbacks, because support zone and resistance zone zones play critical role in trading. So you can see the outcomes for yourself, and so vision on the charts and knowing where to open your trades are the key principles here. In another position is in profits, guys. This currency pair played out 2 times in a row. Let's refresh the page and get on trading session. Let's continue analyzing and update the trade amount. Well, here's a strong downward dynamics. That's why we're gonna wait for the pullback. I will point out the workspace. Basically I don't have a long explanation for this one. I just really, on my own experience, I see this strong correction to the downside. Yep, we see the touch of the previous price range, but we understand that here there were huge bullish impulse before, and that's why we're going to expect the breakout to the upside. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing. The breakout has happened, guys. We're good. Sometimes you can count on the experience and you'll win profits anyway. So this position was based only on my experience, and it ended up in profits. We're fixing the profit, and let's change the trade amount and continue our trading session. And let's continue analyzing. There's no need to rush things. Concentrate on finding the best trade entry. Actually, there was a nice correction. That's why we open the short position here. I will point our workspace. The downward dynamics take place. The support zone played out here. After there was pullback to the upside. Here's a good impulse for this kind of the movement, and that's why we're expecting to see the continuation of the downtrend. The breakdown is expected at the end, and we play ahead of the market here. They're around 30 seconds before the closing, and so far so good. I'm okay with this price movement so far. So this is a very intense zone. Let's focus on it. Looks kind of scary. However, the position has been closed in profits. The breakdown has eventually happened on the last seconds. Let's update the trade amount and find another currency pair. So let's continue analyzing. Take a look at here. A potential trade entry, guys. And I guess the price is very likely to go lower. Let me explain my thinking. Look, here is the first upper zone and here's the second one. The price broke both of them down, and so they didn't play out. And the farther downwards movements is expected in this case, probably down to this very important level. And so we see that the price breached our upper zone. There were two levels, they were closer to each other. Both of them were cracked, and it would be fatal to open along in this case. The only option was opening short position, guys. So, and based on this knowledge, we are fixing the profit again, and there $777 on the balance. A great sign, I like it, guys. And let's continue our trading session. So here I think the local low is about to be updated. Here we go. I think this is correct move. We're gonna expect the pullback to the upside. Actually, we're taking some risk now, but I see the touch of the support zone. There was a huge jump. The updating of the local low is happening here. That's why I was unable to expect a small pullback here, and so we're expecting some positive dynamics to the upside. There are 30 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch the price movement. Our long position has been closed in profits. We're waiting for a small pullback. There is it, exactly as I predicted. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. Don't forget the update the trade amount, and let's continue analyzing and find the next currency pair. Well, I don't see anything good here. Probably here it makes sense to open a long position. We're trying to play ahead of the market. The pullback is gonna happen. This candle has a huge shadow, and the touch of the upper zone also takes place. So we could expect to see a pullback here. Price rebound, that's why we open it long. So in our position has been closed with a profit. We managed to catch this pullback, and let's continue trading. Well, what do we got here? And we should open a short position here, following the trend direction. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. I will point out the workspace. Downtrend has to continue dominating here. We see that the upper zone played out. The price started going up, but this is nothing more than a small pullback. The price is gonna hold here for a while and trend then going down, and there's nothing to worry about, guys. This pullbacks looks good, and it has to be over by now, and we're gonna wait for the breakdown. I guess their final position for today. I just consolidate our gains. This is OTC after all, and we don't have to gamble here. And we fix the profit, our final position on profits. That's what we managed to reach today. Let's move into withdrawal. We're gonna withdraw $4,200. I think this is a good outcome. I like it. Press the continue button. Our transaction is being processed. I will touch the screen as usual. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget about my Telegram channel. Thank you guys and bye bye.